Hi, I'm Chef Rachel. Today I'm going to show you how to bake salmon without overcooking it. We'll do baked salmon with rosemary, garlic, and lemon. This versatile recipe works for a wide range of different kinds of fish. Just make sure you buy wild rather than farmed. You'll get more vitamins and antioxidants that way, and you'll avoid hormone and antibiotic residues that come with farmed fish. So let me show you what ingredients you'll need, and then I'll walk you through the steps. You need 1.5 to 2 pounds of salmon. This is wild Alaskan salmon. You'll also need 2 teaspoons of dried, powdered or crumbled herbs. I'm using rosemary here. I started with rosemary twigs like this, and then I put them in a spice-dedicated coffee grinder to powder them. Now, if you're wondering what a spice-dedicated coffee grinder is, that's a coffee grinder that you use only for spices. And that's really important because if you're grinding all kinds of different spices, then you don't want to have coffee with chipotle flavoring or rosemary or black pepper. So get a coffee grinder that you use only for spices, and then you can powder dried spices and have a fresh and flavorful and fragrant spice. So we have our rosemary here. We have 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, and we have a tablespoon of olive oil. You'll also need 2 cloves of garlic, and you'll need at least 1 lemon. Now, we'll get assembling. Alright, now there are a couple things you need to know before you start seasoning the fish. One is, if your fish contains pin bones, you'll need to remove them with special tool here. Now, you could use needle nose pliers, or you could buy special fish tweezers or fish pliers. Now, here's what we do to get the pin bones to stand up. Run your finger across the fish like this, and you'll see these little pin bones stand up. Now, you can hold the flesh down and pull out